Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy low bun hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. Okay, so we're just going to take all the hair from the ear forwards on both sides and we're going to bring these around to the back of the head and tie them together with a clear elastic band. Pop your fingers behind this elastic band, pass the tail up and pull it through so you create a twist. Apply some texture spray over the head and twists. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then loosen everything up by gently pinching and pulling. Next, we're going to split the remaining hair in half, and we're just going to start on that right hand side and secure it into a low ponytail. Then just repeat this on the left hand side, so you should be left with two ponytails. We're going to add another couple of elastic bands to these ponytails, about 4 inches down from the top. Now, taking hold of that left ponytail, we're going to grab hold of the elastic band, bring it over to the right hand side whilst twisting it towards the head, and then secure it to the head with a bobby pin or two. And then take that right hand ponytail, twist that elastic band towards the head and secure it with a few more bobby pins. Now we're just going to add another clear elastic band about 1 inch from the bottom on both of those ponytails, and taking the left hand band, we're going to bring it again over to the right hand side, tuck that elastic band under and secure to the head. And then just repeat this on the right hand ponytail. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.